Today is to really celebrate apprenticeships for National Apprenticeship Week. It's to bring together employers, prospective learners, to talk about apprenticeship, link up them opportunities, and this is definitely the place to do it.
I'm Louise Coleman. I'm the Project Manager for the Centre for Excellence for Healthcare Apprenticeships. So it's really great to have our partners, and our new partners especially, come to the University of Suffolk to talk about apprenticeships and to talk to apprentices and to network. And it's important that we know what employers are out there and are interested in apprenticeships, and it's also important for them to know what we can deliver for them.
So today I gave a presentation and really sort of given some basic information about apprenticeships, what apprenticeships are, but more importantly what support are available for people on apprenticeships within SNF, and then really exploring the many roles that we offer within the NHS, not just clinical but also non-clinical.
I absolutely adore apprenticeship programmes. I'm really proud to represent them, and I'm really proud that the company Volker Fitzpatrick represent them too. So I'm here today to talk to those individuals, and I appreciate that when people come here they don't all know what they'd like to do. Some do, some don't, and it's just great to have those engaging conversations with those to at least start to hopefully inspire people to get within that journey.
So my name is Dylan, and I am a Sizewell C apprentice. I'm currently studying here at URS, doing a level 4 associate project management course. I never had the money for university. I never really thought of it or spoke to my parents about it. So that was kind of out the equation. And I didn't really want to get into a full-time job just yet. So I thought an apprenticeship is the best bet. You get a load of skills, good personal and professional development, and you get, of course, the best thing, money as well.
So we've been working with the University of Suffolk for probably about 7 years now, and they're providing our training for our apprenticeship programme. Having apprentices within our organisation means that we really value the people that are already working with us. We're encouraging people to learn as they work and to grow their career with us.
Employers, if they've got opportunities, they need to share them, and there's so many platforms to share opportunities, but to actually speak to people face to face and actually learn, what the demand is, what the need is, what people are looking for, what people might think are barriers. It's having that conversation in person, which I think is really invaluable.
It's very different to being at school, I think, apprenticeship. First of all, you've got that split. You've got that 80-20 split between 80% of your time in the industry and 20% of your time in education. That's huge exposure to industry. Not everyone aligns themselves with school and with kind of the education that we're put through between the ages of 4 and, 16 or 18 now. So it gives someone an opportunity to learn in a very different environment, to be exposed to the world of work and to learn not only sort of the hard skills that go with the job, but the soft skills that go with being in a workplace.
Working at a big company is great. It gives me a lot of exposure, as I've had loads of different interactions with senior management and even people at the same level as me as an apprentice. I've got to experience so many different things. I've got to see the site, ACA. I've been to so many different places in Ipswich. I've had the opportunity to get a degree. I've had opportunities to go to Parliament and speak to other nuclear apprentices.
There's always a misconception that apprenticeships are only for young people. That is not the case. So you can be any age, and that's why apprenticeships are so broad, because you've got the entry level, level 2s, level 3s, and they go all the way up to level 7. So if you're in your career, you might have done an apprenticeship to start your career, then had 20 years in your career, and then think, actually I want to go up to that management level and do that degree apprenticeship.
So we have evidence to show that actually those that undertake an apprenticeship with us in our organisation tend to stay a lot longer. I would say to any local organisation that has never had an apprenticeship before, just go for it. The passion that they bring, the learning that they give to you, the organisation, and the growth that they can share within the company as well is just huge.
I think sometimes a lot of employers, if they don't have apprentices, I think they're a little bit nervous of it. Depending on the size of their workforce, it could be that they feel they don't have the resources to support. But I think time can be set aside for it. I think as long as they've basically been given the direct task of what they need to do, and also the college that's supporting, they will also direct them. And I think there's so much support out there now to make the whole process a lot easier for employers. So really there's no need to not have one.
I'm hoping to be in a senior management role in the future, hopefully in project management, and I'd also like to work abroad. So through the support that this apprenticeship has gave me and the development already in 6 months, is definitely pushing towards the career I want to do.